Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Roblox and Fortnite are distinct gaming experiences. It's important to understand that these are two entirely separate games, each with its own unique world, gameplay mechanics, and community. Roblox allows millions of creators to build and share thousands of diverse experiences. Fortnite, on the other hand, offers a popular battle royale mode and a creative island for building. They operate independently on different game engines and servers. You might be wondering why you can't directly play Roblox within Fortnite. The main reason is that they are built on completely different technological foundations. Roblox uses its own engine, while Fortnite runs on Unreal Engine. They also have distinct account systems and in-game currencies, like Robux and V-Bucks, which are not interchangeable. This separation ensures each game maintains its unique identity and operational integrity. To enjoy both Roblox and Fortnite, the best approach is to play them on their respective platforms. You can download the Roblox application on your computer, console, or mobile device to dive into its vast universe of experiences. Similarly, Fortnite is available as a separate download for PC, consoles, and mobile, offering its own exciting adventures. Each game provides hundreds of hours of unique entertainment. While you can't combine them, both Roblox and Fortnite share a strong emphasis on creativity. Roblox is built entirely around user-generated content, with millions of unique games. Fortnite also features a robust creative mode, where players can design and share their own custom maps and game types. Both platforms offer incredible opportunities for self-expression and connecting with friends in diverse virtual environments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.